Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. Quick question. How many hours has your team wasted this month just hunting for files, scrolling endless folders, guessing file names, downloading massive 3D models, only to realize it's the wrong one? Yeah, we've all been there. And let's be honest, when a key team member leaves, they don't just take their coffee mug, they take all the organized chaos stored in their brain. Suddenly, your perfectly planned workflow turns into a scavenger hunt. Today, I'm going to show you how Blueberry AI is finally putting an end to this madness. AI that actually understands you, previews 3D models instantly, and keeps your team synced without endless emails or guessing games. Stick around, I'll show you exactly how it works, and why the world's top mobile game companies are already using it. Ready to save hours of your life? Let's dive in. AI search that understands human language with Blueberry AI. You just type what you mean, not the file name, the description. Things like wooden low pulley chair with metal legs, damaged sci-fi door, realistic concrete wall texture. And instantly, Blueberry shows every matching asset from your entire team library. No guessing, no digging, no naming conventions needed. This one feature alone helped my friend's overseas team cut their search time from minutes to seconds. Scenario 2, the preview problem. Pain point, another huge issue for remote teams. To check a model, you have to open heavy software, Blender, Maya, 3ds Max, which slows everything down. And if you're working with external partners, they might not even have the software installed. This causes delayed reviews, screenshots sent back and forth, incorrect versions being approved, and more rework than anyone wants to admit. By the time you finally open it, it feels like you just watched an entire episode of your favorite show. Solution: real-time 3D preview in the browser. Blueberry AI generates instant, high-quality previews for over 100 formats: FBX, OBJ, BLEND, MAX, MA, and more. Right inside your browser. You can rotate, zoom, and inspect meshes, view UVS, switch materials, check animations, compare two models side by side, all without opening your 3D software. For overseas teams who rely on quick feedback loops, this is a massive time saver. Even clients with zero technical skill can open the model and comment on it, just using a web browser. Scenario 3, version confusion and communication. Pain point. Here's another true story. Two teammates working from different time zones exported the final version of a prop, but both versions had the same name. One had wrong UVS. One was missing textures. Nobody had a clue which one was approved. This happens everywhere, in studios, freelancers, outsourcing pipelines. Solution: version management and comment function. With Blueberry AI, every update is captured as a clear version snapshot in a single timeline. You instantly see who uploaded what and when. Instead of guessing, you click on the version management tag to get the latest file. Instead of hunting through emails, all feedback is pinned directly to the 3D model itself as comments. This means your team always works from one source of truth, and reviews happen in context, slashing approval cycles. No more duplicate work, no more communication black holes. Demo flow, short and practical. Let me show you how the workflow actually looks. 1. Upload your folder. Blueberry auto-generates smart tags. 2. Need a sci-fi door? Just type sci-fi sliding door with emissive lights. The right assets appear instantly. 3. Click any model, and a real-time preview opens directly in the browser. 4. Want to share it with a teammate? Click Share, set permissions, and they can comment immediately. This is why overseas teams, especially in game dev and film animation, are adopting Blueberry rapidly. It removes the friction that slows production down. If your 3D workflow is slowed down by messy folders, constant searching, or heavy software just to preview a model, Blueberry AI genuinely fixes those problems. Check the link in the description to try it out. It's free to get started. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.